This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, heated seats, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, a pass-through rear seat, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Fort Washington for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 404 Pennsylvania Avenue in Fort Washington. We look forward to serving you.